is Radharani Sudhanidhi, verse number 9, beginning. This verse is about the, again, Saraswati Pada is addressing his mind, as in verse 14 we covered yesterday. But here he's talking about Vrindavan, the glories of Vrindavan, the attraction of Vrindavan. Vrindani sarva mahatam apahaya durad. Vrindatavim manusara pranayena cheta. Sattarani krita subhava sudha rasogam. Radha bidhanam iha divya nidananam asti. O mind, Cheta, here, verse 14, he addressed the mind as mano, and here is Cheta. Like we say, Cheto Darpana Marjanam, it means purify the mind, consciousness, all things, heart. O mind, so now this is what he's telling his mind, so we should listen. Leave, cast aside, throw away, reject, leave all great things, or great persons, or great countries. Germany, Switzerland, France, whatever. There's some big, great countries out there. Leave all great things or persons far away and go to Vrindavan, with love. Don't just throw and go. If you're going to throw someone, you better be going to someone you love. So if you're going to throw great persons and great things away, you better be throwing them away because of a higher attraction, because of a greater, higher ras. So Vrindavan is that Divya Nidanam. He says Divya Nidanam. Nidhi means treasure, Divya, transcendental treasure. So he says, go to Vrindavan but with love, prayena, like pranayena. He says pranayena, go with your heart, not with your eyes and your camera. Vrindavan means come on the feet of your heart. Walk on the feet of your heart. See with the eyes of your heart. With love. Why? Why should we go there? Because here in Vrindavan there is a divine jewel. There's a special jewel here. Throw away all this other useless rhinestones and what's that imitation diamond? What's it called? I forgot. There's some, it looks like a diamond. There's zirconite. Is it right? It's something like zirconite. It looks like a diamond. So throw away all the zirconite and come here. Why? Because here there's a divine jewel who is full of rapturous nectar. So then we'll get to the word for word. And then of good moods, Sudha, Subhav. Who is that? Named Radha, who redeems the sincere souls. She liberates all the great devotees. So this is the basic translation. He's discussing yamas and niyamas, do's and don'ts. Do throw away everything useless and meaningless, what we think is great, and come to Vrindavan. Here you'll find the jewel, the Divya Nidhi, the transcendental jewel of Radharani.